going to learn Cyclone by Sticky Fingers today. We're going to play a whole bunch of chords. It's in the key of E major. There's 2 guitar parts. I'll show you all the guitar parts you need to be able to play the song. Alright, in you come. This is an E major. We've got 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Now what we're going to do to make it a bit easier for ourselves, you don't have to do this, but if you're just starting to learn bar chords, this will make it easier. We're going to keep this finger free, so our second finger is going to go on the first fret of the G string. So it's basically exactly like an E major chord. Play like that. So this is this is guitar part 1. This is what the singer does. So he's going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 1. And... Okay, you get 2 bars of that. So then we're going to move up. Move the whole hand up. Put your first finger across at the second fret. This is an F sharp minor. Then we're going to do exactly the same shape at the 4th fret. This is G sharp minor. And then it's F sharp minor again. So this is an 8-bar pattern. You get 2 bars of E, 2 bars of F sharp minor, 2 bars of G sharp minor, 2 bars of F sharp minor. And he plays that pattern in the verse and the chorus throughout the song until you get to the bridge. Now the other guy is doing something a bit stretchier. So what we've got here, this is an E add 9. So this is E major. This finger here is going to play an F sharp, which is the 9th of E major. So 0, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, if we were tabbing it out. So with this hand, go down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. Then you can't miss the strings. So here's our first chord, E add 9. And then our second finger is going to go from the B, which is the 2nd fret on the A string, to an F sharp. So far we've had E, 2 bars, F sharp. This is an F sharp minor add 9. Right, and then we're going to get stretchy. So the best way of doing this is to try and get your hand to pivot around, and you're going to go. So that's 4, 2, 4, 1. And use your 3rd, 2nd, 4th, and 1st fingers. Like, well, that was terrible. Let's go. Hey, hello, what's happening? No, what have I done? Oh, that's right. My brain just stopped. Excuse me. That's it. And then we go back down to the F sharp. And then we go back to E. And that's the verse riff. So it sounds like this, E. Alright. Right, and then when it hits the chorus, Cyclone, we're going to play. This is an E major 7. We're at the 7th fret. 7, 9, 8, 9, 7. Same pattern, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. This is an F sharp minor 7. Now, the next chord is, but in between, he hits that on the last and of the bar, so it sounds like this. E major 7, F sharp major 7, so minor 7, sorry. This is E major 7, 7th fret. F sharp minor 7, the 9th fret. Then on the up, little finger here goes on an F sharp here at the top, just to make it extra 7th-y, and then back down to F sharp. So that's what happens. Now in verse 3, instead of playing the guitar player, not the singer, plays just arpeggiated chords like this. The same chords as you were using in the chorus. And the last thing is just the solo. So he plays 5, 7, 7, 6. It's basically like a A add 9. You've got a B in there. So down 4 bars of this, and then E. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not going to cover the solo because it's a bit tricky just for now, but he's doing it's all in E major. So if you want to have a go at that, he's doing something like just from memory, I haven't actually learnt it. You know, something like that. Anyway, so I hope that helps. And at the very end, he just plays all the way through this chord. Oh, that's pretty nice, eh? Perfect. Thank you. See you later.
I got it.
Awesome.
God, I was getting arm cramps. I don't think that my video skills are very good.
That's alright. They're good enough, I'm sure.